Rolling trademarks. Your trademarks portfolio in one app. Whether small or growing, your company's trademarks portfolio is an activity that requires total dedication. Meet Rolling Trademarks, a cloud solution built in the Salesforce Lightning platform that includes the necessary tools for managing all your trademarks lifecycle in a simple and intuitive way. It is the perfect solution for those who need to work remotely, anywhere, anytime and on any device. As you log into the platform, you see immediately customized dashboards with the most important reports or data for your business, such as all your trademarks' geographical extent or a global overview of their key registration status. Planning your activity for the day is easy, as you can quickly see your tasks and events from the calendar. If you choose to view all tasks, you can change your view as it suits you, displayed as a table or in a Kanban view. The best part is that you can see not only your tasks, but also those you have delegated or are overdue. On the Accounts menu, you can create your own company profile or you can create your customer's account in case of managing your customer's trademarks. You can now have a 360-degree view of your account with all the details that matters, like all the records related with this account such as contacts, projects, trademarks, registrations, oppositions and files. One of the most popular features is the history activity, because it brings you up to date with all the meetings, emails sent, tasks and events. Managing a trademark project becomes easier using Rolling Trademarks. You have all the related trademarks, and the totals, expenses and renewals related to registrations and domains in one place. You can also upload all the asset files related to that project, making it easy to find and use. Each trademark record gives you full information of what you may need, all the details that include registrations, domains, expenses and renewals related to registrations and domains. And there's more to it. You can also check the registrations on the map, which is a quick way to get the full extent of your trademark's territory. At the Registrations menu, you can see and manage all the information about your trademark's registration. Instead of having the information on several platforms, you can register and manage here all the expenses, but also, and more important, monitor all the deadlines and stages, so that no important detail gets by you. On the left side, you can see all the details and also the related records, NISA classes, expenses, files, etc. You can create notes, and then view them on the trademark page, keeping all the information accessible in the same place. Chatter allows you to collaborate internally and discuss everything you need within the records, without clogging the emails and with the advantage that all conversations remain on the record. Other useful feature, that actually saves lots of time, is automating tasks. On the top of the page you can create tasks automatically based on the usual tasks for this registration type. You can also create expenses quickly, based on the predefined fee tables. Registering renewals and extensions is very simple and intuitive, making Rolling Trademarks a useful solution to manage a trademark lifecycle. In this Registrations menu, you have a complete overview of the registrations by type, status, and renewal dates. The color detail, green or red, really helps for a quick view of the trademarks stage. You can easily change registration status by dragging the box to the next level. Similar to the Trademarks menu, the Domain menu allows you to register all the trademarks domains and monitor all the renewals and expenses related with them. The calendar menu is a great way for you to control all dates related with registrations, domains, tasks and events, and you can use the colors to select what you want to see. Making reports and dashboards is an excellent way to help you present data and make important decisions. You can easily change the type of charts, the reports displayed, etc., according to your purposes. On the Files menu, you can organize all your images and documents through the libraries. You can also integrate trademarks with external file storage sources, as SharePoint, OneDrive and others. Rolling trademarks can be managed from multiple devices, making it perfect to work at any place and any time. It's an excellent tool for managing all your trademarks portfolio in just one app. Try it now.